Spotify is a music app where you can listen to songs, and if you want to go back and look at your history of the songs which you are listening to but don't know how to, you're in the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can view your Spotify song history. So first what you have to do is open your Spotify app, and then you will see an interface like this. So what you have to do is scroll down, and then you will see a page that says recents in big bold words. So what you have to do is click on show all, and then you will see all the songs which you have listened to for the recent time. So this was it on how you can see your song history on Spotify. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe,